On this tutorial, I will teach you how to create a YouTube channel with your mobile phone. And now, let's go.
Now you go to your YouTube channel. As you go to your YouTube channel, then you click that place that are marked something like this. Now you see that place there. You click there, click it. If you click it, then wait, then you go to switch account. Go to switch account because I have a YouTube account there, so I want to use another one to show the tutorial. Then you go to switch account. Then you find a fresh email that you have not using to create a channel. Then I click that one. I click it. Then the thing opened. Now press back to that menu. Yes. Then you click create channel. Then you set up your profile photo. Set it up. Choose the photo you want to use. Like now, I'll choose this one. I will choose this. Yes, this Merry Christmas. Yes. Then allow it to load. Yeah, it has entered. Now you set the name of your channel. Like here, I'll put. Let me say. Let's just put Nita TV. Yeah, let's put Nita TV. Then you send it. Then you press create channel. You press create channel. Yes, your channel is done. Then after creating it, set up some things, some stuffs to make it look nice. Now let's go. Have you seen it? Now you press that pencil. Yes. Then now you go to your banner, your description. So go to your description. You type your description, any description you like that will attract, follow subscribers or so. Then I put blah blah blah. Yes.
na tana zai shigo insha Allah ko sai hankali na ya dan kwanta to ka san wani abu kuma
Yeah, I'm done.
na ce to sabon
Now you go to
kuma fokop din kenan Allah ya sa kare zai ce idan ba zai iya ba shege wallahi zai iya mama
now you go to banner, put your banner. Like I will choose a banner. Make sure the banner size is 1024 by 576, something like that. It's like I'm correct. Like this one, I use AI to generate this. Now I upload, save. It will come up. You refresh. Yeah, it has come. So now you go back. Assistant, your YouTube channel is ready like this. On our next video, I will teach you guys on how to set up your keywords and show you guys how to upload videos on YouTube.